Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent text effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. I'm going to launch Photoshop. And for this example, I want to use a image which I downloaded from the Pexels.com. If you want to download that image, you can follow the download link which I already put in the link description below. So I'm going to open the file, and that file is kept on my desktop, the winter season. Okay, for your information guys, I would like to tell you that Pexels.com is a website where you can download free images and videos as well. Now I want to choose the type tool from the tools bar. So I will press the type tool and I will write a word, winter. And I will hit this check mark here to accept these changes, and I will choose the move tool to place this text in the middle of my image. Guys, I have chosen the Coluna font for this example, and this is a free font, and you can download this font from the internet if you like. And I will put a link in the description below to download this font. I will select this font and I will choose the black color for this font, and it is already black. So I will hit OK. And I will accept this change by clicking on this tick mark icon. Now I want to increase its size, so I'll apply a transform effect to this layer, and I will press Ctrl T on the keyboard. Now I will hold the Shift key and drag the corner handle to increase its size. I will try to cover the full screen because I want to emphasize this text. So I will make it as bigger as I can, and again I will accept these changes by clicking here on this tick mark icon. Now the text is completely filled on my screen, but I will align it to the center of my screen. So I'm going to select the layer by pressing Ctrl O-A, and my whole layer is selected. I will go into the layer menu, and I will align this layer to vertical center and once more to horizontal center. Now it is perfectly into the center of image, and I will deselect this layer by pressing Ctrl D. Okay guys, now I'm going to reduce the fill opacity of this winter layer. So I will click on this layer and I will choose the fill opacity to 0%. As you can see, when I reduced its opacity to 0%, the text has been disappeared from the screen. So now in this case, only the layer styles applied to the layer will be visible, and all the fill properties will disappear. Okay. To make the text visible, I'm going to apply a layer style effect by clicking this FX icon in the bottom of the layer panel, and I will press on drop shadow Now a dialog box has been popped up. I can adjust the properties of drop shadow by dragging my mouse button on the screen. Because my sun is here, so I will adjust the shadow according to the sun. Okay, this much shadow is fine to me, but I'm going to increase its size. And I will choose the color from the background, so I will click here on this color box, and I will choose a dark color. Okay. Now I want to apply one more effect to this layer, and that is stroke. So I will click on the stroke option, and I will again choose the dark color from my image background, and I will increase its size a little bit. Okay, 8 is fine. Now the size is 8 pixels and it's looking perfect to me. And I will apply one more effect, and that is gradient overlay. So I will press here on the gradient overlay option, and I will choose my type of gradient by clicking here on the gradient option. I will choose this third one, the black and white gradient, and I will hit OK. You can see the text is not looking transparent, but the gradient filled all over the text, and this is not what I want. So I will choose its blending mode from normal to overlay. Okay, now it's perfect, fine to me. These all 3 layer styles I wanted to apply on my text layer, and I am happy with that. So I'm going to press OK button. Now I'm going to control click the winter layer to select all the text layer, but I want to make some changes to my background. So I will select the inverse selection by going into the select menu, and I will choose the inverse option here. Now everything is selected except the text itself. Now I'm going to select the background layer, and I will apply a adjustment effect. So I will click here on this half black and half white circle, and I will apply a solid color adjustment layer. And I will hit OK. The background color is looking black, which is I don't want. If you are happy with this black color, you can proceed to apply the black color on your project, but I want to apply a different color. So I will double click on this adjustment layer, and I will choose something different, something warm color, or this one. Yeah, this one is okay, and I will reduce its opacity. It's okay now, but I'm going to choose a different color. So I will click on the adjustment layer itself, and I will choose a color from the background. Yes, this color is looking fine to me, but I will increase its opacity a little bit so that my text looks clear to me. Okay, again I want to change its color, something different again, so I will click on the adjustment layer and I will choose a dark color. Yeah, the bluish dark color is yeah, it's looking good to me. And again I will adjust the opacity. Okay, now it's looking fine to me. And this is how, folks, we can use the transparent text effect in Photoshop so that we can make our text transparent. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.